Okay, we're gonna do a video about the equation of the line. So that's the standard A6A from GED Florida. 4 comma negative 2 and slope equals 2. So we're gonna find the equation of the line with that information. So the equation of the line in slope intercept form is y equal mx plus b. So if you look at here at this information, we have the x, we have the y, and we have m. So the only thing we're missing here is the b. So I'm gonna do it in two different methods so you can check and whichever you like the most and you use that one. So x, y, and m. So x is 4, m is 2, so it means, and y is negative 2. So minus 2 is equal 2 times 4 plus b. 2 times 4 is 8. I write an 8 here. I'm gonna do it step by step. Minus 2 is equal a plus b. So the a goes over there subtracting. So it's positive, will be negative here. Minus a minus 2 is negative 10. So negative 10 is equal b. So once you have the b, now you can write the equation. The equation will be y equal m is 2, 2x minus 10. So this is my equation, okay? So I have the slope, I have the b here. That's the only thing I put in the equation, okay? I find the b and I write the equation, that's it. Done. So let's do the other example here. Okay, 0,5. So this is my x, this is my y, and this is my m. 1/3. Some people don't like fractions. Okay, let's work on this. Y equal mx plus b. Okay, so the same thing. Y is 5. So I put a 5 here. It's equal m is 1/3. Times x, but x is 0 plus b. So 1/3 times 0 is 0. So 5 is equal b, and now we write it. So y equal 1/3 of x plus 5. So that's my equation. So ready, it's done. Now let me tell you something. If you remember, when x is 0, the value of y is the y-intercept. So I know that if x is 0, that value is b. I can just write the 5 here right away. And I have the slope, 1/3. So I can right away just write y equal 1/3 of x plus 5, because I don't need to do all this process to find the b, because I already have it. When x is 0, the y here, that's the b. So in the first example, we did not have a 0 in x, so we have to do the process. But in the second example, that we have a 0 in x, we don't need to do this process. Okay? Hope this video helped you. Let's do one of the example, maybe the first one, using a different strategy. So I'm gonna use now the point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal m times x minus x1. Okay, so if you like the first one, y equal mx plus b, you can keep doing with that. Okay, I'm just gonna do an extra here for some people who might like this one. So remember, the point was 4 comma negative 2. That was the first point, and the slope was 2. M equal 2. So what I would do now is substitute. Here we substitute in the y1 and in the x1. So my y1 and x1 will be those two numbers. So this is the x, this is the y. So y minus 2. It's equal m, but m is 2. 2 times x minus x1. The x1 is the 4. X minus 4. Okay? So minus times minus is plus, so here will be y plus 2. Here 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So what I'll do now is this positive 2 here will be minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. So y will be equal to x minus 8. This one here becomes minus 2 here, so minus 10. So if you see, we have the same equation, but we use different methods. So if you look, this and this one, they are the same. So if you like this process, you can do this one. If you like this one, you can just do that one, whichever you prefer. Thank you very much. God bless you.